Alright, so now it's finally time to take a look at the two main techniques when it comes to analyzing charts. And I'm talking about fundamental analysis and technical analysis. And let's begin here by taking a look at fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? Well, the strategy here is to evaluate a company's financial health, business model, and also growth potential. And how is this done? What are the important tools fundamental analysts use here? Well, we use tools like financial statements, for example, income statements, balance sheets. We also analyze things like, cash flow. But fundamental analysts can also look at other economic indicators and economic factors. They can look at some macro metrics like, inflation, employment numbers, and so on. And another thing to pay attention to is news reports and also news for the companies they analyze. And what about the goal for fundamental analysis? Well, it's basically to determine the intrinsic value of a stock to identify long-term investment opportunities. So fundamental analysis is much more long-term, or at least often much more long-term compared to technical analysis. But now then, what about technical analysis? Well, the strategy for technical analysis is very different. What we do in technical analysis is that instead of studying how the actual company performs, we study how the price has moved for that company. So we look at price movements, we look at trading volume, and so on to predict future price movements. So we basically study past price movements to predict future price movements. And what are some key tools for technical analysis? Well, we use tools like patterns, we use trading indicators, like for example the moving average, the RSI, and the MACD indicator. And we also use other concepts like for example price action and market structure. And the goal here with technical analysis is to identify short-term trading opportunities based on our technical analysis. So to repeat here, fundamental analysis is all about looking how the actual company performs, while technical analysis is all about analyzing how the price moves. And we basically take advantage of the sort of psychology behind price movements. For example, if a stock is increasing a lot, it's going up a lot, this can basically lead to more and more people getting interested in the stock and even buying the stock only because it's performing so well. And that is the concept we take advantage of as technical traders. Alright, so this video was just a very short clip from our full stock market trading course here on the channel. To watch the full course completely for free, simply just click or tap on the screen right here. I hope I will see you all over there very soon.